You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this French expression, which means the national interest or the interest of the nation, of the state, right? Raison d'état. Raison d'état is how it's said in French. Now, if you cannot pronounce French, you cannot say it as raison d'état. Raison, which means reason. D'état means of the state, so the reason of the state, the national interest. Raison d'état. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.